Okay, good. We are not swearing, Hayden, and we definitely weren't swearing before this either. For sure. Definitely didn't happen. It didn't. Okay, I need somebody who is willing to be embarrassed.
Do we have to do math?
No, you have to talk to me.
Oh, no.
Is it hard?
It is not. It's something anybody could do, but I am going to embarrass you, so be prepared for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, Mr. Wilmer sent me the link to my choir video and I watched it very much.
Who?
My mom.
You didn't send it to me?
No.
So disappointing.
Like he sent
6.
the video of us to my mom.
Who's my 6?
They watched it.
Angel. Congratulations, Angel. All right. Angel, how do you get to school every day, Angel? Angel, yeah.
You said how is school?
Oh, no. I'm saying, how do you get to school every day? On the bus. Okay. So, everybody, which one of these axes is the x-axis?
The bottom.
This one down here? Okay, and this one is y. If you ever forget about which one is which, think about up and down like a yo-yo. Okay, up and down like a yo-yo, and then play it like a xylophone. Okay, going across. So xylophone goes across, yo-yo goes up and down. We all good at that? Okay. That's a key.
Keys.
All right. So, Angel, this is going to be a story about you coming to school. Okay. So I want everybody to write on the side. This is distance from school over here. And on the bottom is going to be time. One of these is called an independent variable, and one of these is called a dependent variable. Anybody know which one's which? Yeah?
Time would be the dependent because it depends upon the distance.
It's actually the opposite. So, like, if I said to you, Angel, how far away from school are you right now? And I said, it is 1 o'clock, you would say, I'm at school. But if I said, no, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, how far away from school are you? You'd say, oh, I'm at my house. I'm this far away, right? You see how, like, the distance you are from school depends on what time of day it is? Okay. Almost always, the x is the independent variable. So this is the independent one down here. You can write it in if you want. Independent is down here. And dependent is the one that goes up on the y. All right, Angel. Here we go. Now, this is gonna start in the morning, okay? Morning is gonna be our time 0 before school. Angel, if you're starting at your house, actually, let's ask everyone this, not to put you on the spot. If you're starting at your house, where would I start this graph? Right here? So you're saying that the distance from school is 0 when she wakes up?
Oh wait.
All the way up to the top.
Okay, so she's this far away from school when she wakes up?
Further.
Here?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to put a 1 by that. Angel wakes up. So on the bottom here, I'm going to kind of write a story, and on the top, I'm going to label my graph with the story. Everybody okay with that? Okay. Angel, how long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
Like 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Nice. Does that include shower time and all that stuff?
Yeah.
Nice. Riley Merkowitz told me that he can get ready in 5 minutes. And I said, do you take a shower? And he goes, oh, we're counting showers? And I'm like, do you not consider that getting ready? That doesn't count?
Yeah, exactly.
But he doesn't. He showers in the morning. And I was like, okay, so including the shower. And he's like, I don't know, 20 minutes? And I'm like, oh, okay. So, how far away from school do you live? You don't have to tell me in miles. Is it far away?
It's
How long does it take you to get to school?
so 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Okay. All right. So you're pretty far away from school to begin with. So let me ask you this. When you're walking around your house, surely you're getting like a little bit closer to school and a little bit further away, just you walking through your house, right? Do you think it would make a big difference on a graph this size? Okay, so what is it gonna look like as she's walking around her house getting ready in the morning? Should I just keep this dot here?
Yeah.
Steady.
What do you mean steady?
Like it's just gonna keep going straight.
Oh, like a flat line?
Yeah,
Why would it be a flat line? I agree with you, first of all, but why would it be a flat line?
because the distance isn't changing.
The distance isn't changing, but what is changing?
The time.
Time. Do you guys see how time keeps going? Which is why, imagine that this is kind of like one of those graphs, like when you're lying or whatever. You know how like and the needle keeps going and the paper keeps moving and then you tell, yeah, polygraph. And you tell a lie and then it like jumps, right? But the needle keeps moving and the paper keeps moving the whole time. So imagine that this is like paper, it keeps moving, okay? So this right here, this second spot here, this is her getting ready. Angel gets ready.
So good, I have graph paper.
So, Angel, when you get ready and then you take the bus, how far do you have to walk to get to the bus?
I don't really walk. My dad drops me off and
Oh, your dad drops you off. That's nice. Okay, and how far away is the bus stop from your house? Like, could you walk to it?
I don't know. I can't really tell. I mean, how am I supposed to tell it? Like,
You don't have to tell me the distance, like in miles or anything. I'm just saying, like, let's suppose your dad wasn't there that morning. Could you walk to that bus stop?
Yeah.
Okay.
10
10 minutes. It'd be a long time. Okay, but we're getting in the car. You're getting in the car, you're going with your dad. Would you say the bus stop is closer to school or further away from school? If you don't know, just take a guess. Further away? Okay, so we got to drive to now if we're going to drive to the bus stop and it's further away from school, what should we do? Go up, straight up? Why not? What would it mean if it was straight up?
About the time.
It's the same time, she just like moved.
Yeah, it'd be like teleportation, okay? It would be like you like blinking out and then you're at your bus stop and we're not, I wish we could.
Yeah.
I want it to be so bad. Do you guys know how much I would love teleportation? Never driving anywhere and never having to like worry about snow or anything, like, oh.
But then again, thieves.
But then but if we had a teleportation device, I don't think we'd have snow days anymore, and that's a problem. You know what I mean?
I was really hoping today was going to be a snow day, but we didn't get enough snow.
We have 5 inches, what do you mean not enough snow?
Now, why do you guys think that I did this angle here instead of
Good time, because the
time keeps going, we're going away. All right, so this is 3. 3 is getting to the bus stop. On snowy days like this, does your dad, you said dad takes you? Does dad wait with you? Okay, so waiting with you, is the bus, are you usually there like right when the bus gets there? Or do you gotta wait a little bit?
Wait.
Okay, so what are we gonna do as we wait? Flat line again. In fact, this is like a surprisingly long flat line. Waiting for the bus. Now, you know why it's taking so long for the bus to get here?
Because it's snow.
Gotta pick up other kids.
Because, Angel, you missed the bus.
Oh,
And you're just waiting with your dad, waiting for a bus that has already gone by, that you missed a while ago. And it takes you this long to realize, oh crap, the bus is already gone. So now what do we do? Well, I mean, we could go back home. We could also go to school. What would your dad do? Would he take you back home and be like, oh, well,
No, we go to
we'd go to school? Okay. All right. So how's your dad driving going to school? Is your dad a careful driver or is your dad a fast driver?
Well, at that time, faster.
At this point, it'd be faster because we're already late. Okay. All right. So we're going faster. Now, how do I show faster?
It's more of a steep.
A steep line, straight down steep? No, because straight down would be,
Teleportation.
which I want so bad, but we don't have. Okay. So we're doing kind of a steeper line like this. Okay. And yeah, he's really going for it. But then we're going to stop. So let's make this 5. And 5 is coming to school. We missed the bus coming to school, right? Driving to school. But guess what Angel realizes right here?
forgot her backpack.
She forgot her backpack. She forgot her backpack. And she realizes that when they are like 2/3 of the way to school. All right, Angel, let's hear more about your dad. Is your dad the kind of person who is going to stop the car to talk to you about this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so first we're stopping. We're stopping the car. How long is that discussion going to be, Angel? This pleasant, nice discussion.
I think he would just like turn around.
Oh, he would turn right around. Oh, we're going back for the backpack. It's not going to be like, oh, well, I guess you don't have a backpack today. It's going to be very much like, we're going to go get it.
Yep.
Okay, is he going to be nice about it? No. No, okay. All right, we're going back home. Where's back home? Should we go back to 1?
You're not going, no, because you're not going back in time.
Right. 1 would actually, if you drew a line right back to 1 right now, that would be a time machine where you are going back to earlier in the morning because already this much time has gone by. Remember that it's like that polygraph test. The paper keeps moving. You can't just be like, let's pull that paper back and go back to, we can't.